I'm Piyush Sharma, here 15CS276, and today I'm going to do a program based on multi-threading. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to make two matrices of any size given by the user, and I'm going to add them, subtract, multiply. Yeah, I'm going to perform these three functions on them. So add, subtract and multiply them. So I've created two classes here. One is the main class, as you can see here, and the other one is my matrix. So first I've created two arrays, array 1 for set matrix 1 and array 2 for set matrix 2. Then for matrix 1, enter m into n for the first matrix. M is the number of rows and n is the number of columns. Then n1 and n2, sc scanner object dot next int. This will take the first integer you type as input for the matrix. Then enter the first matrix. Here I've used a for loop to get the elements of the matrix from the user, and then I'm returning the array 1. Similarly, I've done the same thing for set matrix 2. Enter m into n for the second matrix, n3 and n4 rows and columns, as you can see here. Again a for loop for getting the elements of the matrix from the user, and I'm returning array 2 here. Now for addition of the two matrices, I've taken a1, b1, a2 and b2. So a1 is array1 dot length, array1 0 dot length, array2 and array2 dot 0 dot length. In C, I've taken another array to store the addition, to store the added matrix inside C, which is a2 and b2. Yeah, this is the stored resultant matrix of the addition of two matrices, a1, the first and the second matrix. If a1 is equal to a2 and b1 is equal to b2, for int I equal to 0, I less than a1, I've used two for loops here for the addition. So it will go step by step, adding the first element to the first element of the other matrix, and it will give the output. Else the given two matrices incompatible for addition, and here I'm returning C. Now for matrix subtraction, same thing, two for loops, and array ij minus array, and this will be stored in this C, a2 and b2. And if the input is not correct, then the matrices are not compatible for subtraction, and here I'm returning C, which is the array. So it will give the output as the subtracted array or matrix. Then for multiplication also, again we have used two for loops. For int k is equal to 0, k less than b1 and k plus plus b1. What is b1? It is the columns of the matrix, and Cij is equal to Cij plus array of ij into array of kj. So this is how it works. Else the given two matrices is incompatible for multiplication, and here I'm returning the value of C. Now coming to the main class, scanner object throws IException, interrupt exception, so that if any error occurs, the exception should be thrown and it should be handled. Now as you can see here, it is a menu driven program, so I have given the options to add, subtract, multiply, and also to exit if you don't want to do any of them. Okay, now switch case. Now here I'm creating thread add is equal to new thread, new runnable. So when you do new runnable, it will automatically generate a set of instructions and override and all, and first you have to run it. So synchronized abc dot matrix add. Now this is for addition. So a1 is equal to a dot length, and into b1 is equal to a 0 dot length. System your result matrices, and now we are used for loops to print the rows and columns of the added matrix. You have to start it and join it, break. Similarly, new runnable thread, matrix subtraction, for loop for giving the elements of the subtracted final matrix, and it's printed here. Start and join. Then for the last one is multiplication. Same thing is done here. Again, for loop has been used to print the multiplied array, and it is shown here. And we have taken abcd dot matrix multiplication, and the previous case we had taken matrix subtraction. Join and break, and the default is choice 4, which is exit. Now we'll run the program and check it out whether it works or not. Okay, enter m into n for the first matrix. So I have to enter the rows and columns for the first matrix. Okay, I want 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, enter the first matrix. I have to enter the elements of the first matrix. Say 4, 5, 6, 6, and 1. Now enter rows and columns of the second matrix. Again, I'll give 2 and 2, 2 into 2 matrix, and enter the elements of the second matrix. Say 7, 8, 9, 1. Now I have to enter my choice. Okay, I want to add these 2 matrices, so I'll give 1, and the addition is given here. As you can see here, it goes element by element. So 7 is added with 4, which gives 11 here. So our output is correct. Now we try to multiply the 2 same matrices, and the answer is 64, 45, 96, and 9. Okay, now I'll exit it. So this is how a matrix multiplication, addition, and subtraction works based on multithreading. Thank you.